Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Proforma Invoice or Estimate in Zoho Books. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to the Zoho Books website and sign into your account. Once signed in, you'll be directed to Zoho Books' home interface. Now, focus on the Sales tab, neatly organized on the left-hand panel. Here, you'll want to create a new quote. In Zoho Books, quotes are synonymous with Proforma Invoices or Estimates. On the screen, find and click the New Quote button. This will open a new window where you can begin filling out the details of your Proforma invoice or estimate. Enter the client's name, contact information, and any specific notes you wish to include. Next, input accurate descriptions of the products or services you're providing, along with quantities and pricing. Once all the details are entered, review your quote carefully. When everything looks good, you can either save the quote as a draft or send it directly via email. Zoho Books even allows you to customize your email templates, maintaining professionalism and consistency in your communication. And that's it. So that is how you can create Proforma Invoice or Estimate in Zoho Books. So that's all for this video. Thanks.